how exactly do LLCs give you asset protection? Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well, and you just heard what we're here to talk about today. If, by the way, you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. I just did a short video of this, a vertical video, not that you guys care, about asset protection and anonymity, but I wanted to take a minute and kind of break down the way that LLCs provide asset protection because it's super important. And you will see why it is also important if you create an LLC that you make sure you follow the rules, that you do your annual meetings, that you have an operating agreement, that you basically just comply with the rules required to have a good LLC so that it actually does what you want if you need it. Okay, so LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. Okay, as the name implies, the company limits the liability of the owners of the company. This limited liability extends to your personal assets. So if you have an LLC, let's say you're running a business out of it, and something goes wrong, the damages, what someone can sue you for, is typically limited to the assets inside of the LLC. What does that mean? Your personal bank account, your personal car, your personal house, your personal vacation house. All of these different things that you have in your name personally are not going to be attachable. They are not going to be collectible from someone that sues you and wins. Okay, so if your business goes bankrupt, for example, and you have an LLC, assuming you don't have any personal guarantees on whatever debts those are, you are going to be able to walk away without having to give up any of your personal assets. If you are sued and you lose inside of your business, your personal assets are not going to be collectible by the person that won. Here's an example that I gave in the other video. Let's say that you have a rental house. You are smart, you have created an LLC, and you put the rental house inside of the LLC. So now the LLC is sort of running the rental, okay? The lease is made out by the LLC, the people that rent the place pay the LLC, and the house is inside of the LLC. Now let's say those people you rent to are meth addicts, okay? They're not just meth addicts, they're meth cooks. They are cooking meth in your house. You don't know about this. You are operating as a good landlord, okay, so you don't have any personal liability. They end up blowing up your house inside of they're cooking meth, they blow up your house. The neighbors are pissed, right? Their houses are damaged and someone got, hit with a beaker when it exploded, okay? I don't know, I've never cooked meth, so I'm not sure exactly what goes into it. But let's say somebody got hit with a beaker, okay? There are a bunch of angry people, they want to sue you because you have allowed these meth heads inside of this property and they have blown it up. They know the meth heads don't have any money, so they're trying to go after you. In this case, the only damages that they would be able to get, the only money that they would be able to collect would be the money that pays out from the insurance policy on the house, potentially, and the value of the land itself, okay? Because the LLC acts as a silo against liability for your personal assets, okay? When something happens inside of the LLC, everything outside of the LLC is not touchable. This is where you get asset protection, okay? The changing of LLC rules regarding anonymity in 2024 does not have anything to do with the asset protection that an LLC provides. It still works the same way, okay? That's it. All right, that is basically how an LLC works. That's why if you're going to create a business, if you're going to be, have rental homes, you want to consider creating an LLC and operating your business out of that LLC or operating your rental property out of an LLC. That way, if something bad happens, you are not personally responsible. Your own personal assets cannot be taken. All is right in the world. All right. Hopefully that made sense. If you have questions, ask them. If you think I'm lying, let me know. Okay. If you want more of this, then subscribe, like, follow, do whatever else you can to get updates on this. And if you have specific questions about anything and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, that is it for today. I am Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.